Okay, I'm relatively new to YouTube and all that stuff, so... Oh, this isn't close. Let's check this out. Oh, actually. Come on. Okay, peep. Bubble. What's this? Something bigger. There's a hat. Does that look good? I think so. Let's step back, right? I'm Cassie. I'm new to YouTube-ish. I mean, I use YouTube all the time, of course. What if this has a speaker that works well? Because I'm talking really quietly. Alright. Basically, show you around my room and the awesomeness that it is. The wall of stuff. Basically, that's just like a wall. All my stuff is on. I put photos of everything, you know. Doctor Who, Dragon Con, more Doctor Who, my dog, my sword, books, dogs, doctor. Oh, I just clicked the button. All this stuff. My chicken. Yeah. My weapons corner. Probably should be this way because it's not going to switch. I have a replica sword. Looks awesome. So this like really awesome little thing. It's got a little blade next to it. Look at her, so cute. Oh. And I don't color dark side of it. My bookshelf. That's just where I keep all my books. I have tons of books. I love these. I love good book series. And yeah, I have more. They're here and in my backpack, which is downstairs. I read lots of books. I love them. The rest of my walls have just random stuff on it. Periodic table, color wheel made with Pac-Man, my dog. This is so cute, isn't it? Relaxation. Got pictures of animals relaxing. Her hair. My door. It's got pictures. It's got pictures of some kids I babysat. Good photo. Can't see that. Doctor. Nice doctor. Me. Picture. I did it. Someone else in here has a better version of it. This is my fake one. Cousin. That was my sister pushing me off. This is me and my friend when we were really little. That's me. My friend Connor. I don't know who that was. My still life. Doctor. More bamboo. More stuff. Doctor. I saw this at Dragon Con. It was awesome. Dogs. Dragons. Ooh. Awesome Superman poster. It's 3D. So it's got these glasses. Okay, I don't know how this works. Does that work? Does that work? It's a 3D poster. See, it's got that blue light everywhere. My elf I drew. That. Fake modern art. Ooh, he's a ninja, I think. Marie, my friend drew dragon. Better picture of the dragon. Okay. My one award. My dog. Collectible. Matt Smith. There it is. That's the better one. My dude. Got those little fuzzy things. I have another one, someone's yellow. He looks awesome. Ninjas, they have Kane West, Kion, whatever. That's a Lego puddle jumper going through a Stargate. Doctor, clear thing that I created. Nightwish. Awesome band. Fargo. All this makes sense. That my mom made. I don't know why. This corner. It was Korea paint that a long time ago. I fell. I took a picture of it. Another thing I painted. Eureka. Duct tape. Favorite quote ever. More Chronicles of Narnia. I did that in watercolor. I need to get back to my art. And yeah. That's it. All those are mostly just everything I've just posted. I'm gonna have more. I have more. That's really good. Yeah, I got a bunch more. I have to cut them out though. That's such a hassle. But yeah, they got all of those. I'm gonna cover my doors all the way. And I drew one of those. It's at home. I have a picture. I might put it there somewhere. On top of my bookshelf, I have the little thing I made, our third place. Aww. Let's get our jackets. That was our. I'm right here. They look really bad though. Ladybugs. My peeps. And here's the top of where my TV is. I have a DVD player. I know it's a DVD player because I have swim team, dance, soccer, and random turtles and ladybugs. Turtle, ladybug, turtle, rocks, penguin, turtle, penguin, turtle, ladybug, rock, ladybug, rock. On my desk, I've got my hat. It looks awesome though. It's plaid. I bought it in the Orlando airport. My plane. I just got this today. Watch this. Watch it. This is awesome. I hope that caught that. Okay. Also, they screen printed this freaking napkin. Looks awesome though. Books. More books. More books. Sunscreen. Sharpies. There's no Sharpies in there. Book and a calculator. Duct tape. Look at this. It's psychedelic. This is the best scented marker in existence. It's cherry. Cups. And my computer. Beautiful, huh? It says computer on it. And I've got these little pieces of tape all along here. Because I have to tape all those up. Basically, that's my room. It's fun. Can't paint my walls as I already said, so covers. Oh, and I have my killer blanket. Because this is light from the street that keeps coming in. Follows me to death. So, I cover it with that. Awesome. Basically, as I already said, that's my room. So, looks awesome. Yeah. It's not clean by any means. Honestly, it sucks. Should clean it on more. And yeah. Wait, that didn't look very good. Let's try this again. That's stupid.